Welding is a very diverse career path that allows you to take the skill set you will learn here and go in any direction you want to go with.
I knew that I wanted to do something that was really fun and really exciting, something really hands-on. So far, it's been a lot of elements I didn't even first consider when I knew that I was going to be taking the class. I am very excited to come to the class every single day. The environment's really great and really fun. There's never a day where I'm not excited to come here.
We see the need and the opportunity to bring in new help and teach and guide and direct these kids into a future, into a career path that's always going to be there for them. When hiring a Lorenzo graduate, we know that they've been trained, certified, they know the basics of what it's going to take in order to go out into the workforce.
So one advantage of a graduate of the course is all the hands-on time that they spent in the class performing the different weld processes, and also the certificate of completion afterwards has a reputation behind it because of the course, and employers very much are looking for that and respect that when they see it. Come in, stay with me for about a year, and I'll teach you how to weld.